most sales reps are still doing everything manually, writing emails, logging notes, following up. Top closers aren't. They're using AI to compress their entire workflow, and that's why they're closing faster. If you're not using AI in your process yet, you're already at a disadvantage. So I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow I use from prospecting to closing and how AI fits into each step. Step 1. Prospecting. Instead of manually researching leads, AI can instantly pull relevant data, summarize accounts, and highlight what actually matters before the first touch. This cuts down hours of prep into minutes. Step 2. Outreach. This is where most reps waste time. AI can generate highly personalized emails, handle variations, and test messaging without you rewriting the same thing over and over. Step 3. Follow-ups. Most deals are lost in the follow-up. AI tools can automate sequences, adjust messaging based on responses, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Step 4. Calls. During calls, AI note-takers can capture everything: key points, objections, next steps, and even suggest better responses over time. Step 5. CRM automation. Instead of manually updating your CRM, AI can log notes, update deal stages, and keep your pipeline clean automatically. This isn't about replacing sales reps. It's about removing everything that slows you down. These are the exact tools most business-to-business teams expect you to know now. I put everything into a simple guide below with the tools and how to use them. The reps who win over the next few years won't be the ones working the hardest. They'll be the ones working the smartest.